Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, and we are in the garden. I just want to show you guys. This is one of my presents that I got for Christmas. We did a white elephant gift for Christmas at the salon, and one of my co-workers, she gave me this garden expert or expert gardener copper set. Excited about this. So just to give you guys a update on some of the plants that we're going to be transplanting today. So we're definitely going to be putting the lettuce and these babies over here, we're going to be transplanting them into the soil. So yeah, y'all, let's jump in. I'm going to take this out of here so I can use my new toys. It is 61 degrees outside. Yesterday it was like hot. It wasn't hot, it was comfortable, but it wasn't like winter. It didn't feel like it does right now. All right. So, whoop, whoop, let's go. All right, so let's see. Okay, so the first transplant, we're going to be transplanting these turnip greens into the soil. First one I'm going to take is this one right here. Sprinkle some of that soil in there. Some of the native soil that it's used to. And then I'm going to just drop it in there. So we done hit an ant pile. So I have to move quick because I'm not playing with these ants. So all of that filming I just did, and I wasn't even in focus. So y'all, this row right here is all of the turnip greens that I just planted in. Child. It ain't easy being cheesy. So let's go on to the next thing that we're going to be putting in the soil. Okay, so while we're over here, we're going to utilize this space right here in between where I usually plant my cucumbers. Just gonna dig that up. Get those weeds out the way. So we only have 2 up in here, and I'm just gonna take and split them right almost in the middle, but not quite. Put one. One right there. I'm gonna put one right here. There you have it. My whole row of collard greens right here. I mean turnip greens right here and turnip greens right there. Let's go get that label. All right, and I'm just gonna slide one label right here, and I'm gonna put the other one right in the middle of those 2 turnip greens. And there you have it, my friends. That is all the turnip greens that we are going to be doing today. We're going to get those watered in. And y'all, as I'm standing here, y'all should smell these garlic that are growing. They smell so good. right, y'all, I want to thank y'all for coming, checking me out, watching my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and let me know how much you are enjoying my videos. And until I see you guys again in the next video, it's SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. Peace.